Hi guys, hi darlings, hi loves, welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's your girl Nini Beauty. Sorry today you're seeing me in this mess. So today's video is just a vlog, so I just want to talk you guys through what I'll be doing today and yeah, go about my day. I got a call this morning from the post office, so I'll be heading there to go pick up my package, and it's already past 11, so I need to head there because I have other events for the day. The more reason why I decided to do this vlog. Okay, so I'll be going to the post office to go pick up my item that just came in, then unbox for you guys, and after unboxing I'll be heading out for a photo shoot. I had a photo shoot by 2 o'clock. Me and my friend rescheduled a photo shoot by 2 p.m. today, so this is already past 11 and I want to go freshen up and head out to go pick up the item at the post office, then get back home, freshen up and go for the photo shoot. So we plan to go to a resort in Enugu here, so we'll be heading to the resort by 2 p.m. We'll be meeting up at the resort. Okay, so both of us, we are going there to go take some pictures because she's having her birthday in 2-3 days away, so she just decided to go to a resort, so I'll be her photographer and in turn take my own pictures. So yeah, that's what we want to go to, then go have some fun and all that. So I'll be carrying you guys along, but if you're not yet subscribed to my channel, what the heck are you waiting for? Subscribe.
I know I'm acting stupid, but being dumb, maybe just a little bit foolish. I feel so young. Drunk, I've never seen you clearer than now. We're flying high, floating somewhere up in the clouds. We're going out of ourselves, can you feel it? Almost like I don't know if it's real, cause when we're doing our thing, we're like wheels that won't stop turning. So take me on a trip, now, trip. Oh, flick the switch, kill the lights. Oh, wasted. City lights are shining so bright. All these empty faces, we don't care about them tonight. We're going out of ourselves, can you feel it? Almost like I don't know if it's real, cause
This item actually came in since December last year and I am just getting it now. So let's get to unbox this. So it's a mini tripod, guys, and I really love this. I love it. It's so nice, and you can actually spread the 3 legs and it will just stand on its own without any support and all that. So just in case you don't have where to put this or where to stand it on, you can just twist the legs on something and yeah, you're good to film and all that. Okay, so I'll be putting the details of those items in the description box, so just in case you want it.
A few moments later.
I am tired, I'm so stressed out. I wanted to sleep. But I couldn't sleep. I need to get ready. This is the 2 already, so I need to freshen up and do some fresh makeup, wear my clothes, dress up and head out. So that's basically what I'll be doing. Okay, so this water that I am drinking. Okay, so come with me, let's freshen up and get going. So yeah, I'm done dressing up and I'm about to head out. Okay, so this is the makeup look. She already called me that she's there already, so I'm heading out. Okay, so see you guys when I get there.
And I'm just pointless without you. Why don't we go back to never wanted to end things like we did.
So I basically will be ending this video here. Subscribe to my channel, okay, for more.
If the end is near, just know that I got you. I'm your armor when things get tough. Know I got your back. Your battles are mine too. I'll fight for you when things get hard.